Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome to the live, y'all. My name's not Dolly, my name's Debbie, and I am here to share some inspiration. Y'all, we're going to be working on an apron today. And won't it look cute? With me cooking in the kitchen. As you're hopping on, say hello. Let me know where you're watching from. Hey Patty. Y'all be sure to share this out with your friends and let's get some crafting going on. How's everybody doing? Hey, Debbie and Peggy. Y'all, have you had an awesome weekend? I had an awesome long weekend. Hey, Sandra, what's going on? Hey, Karen from Michigan. Y'all, I am in Tennessee. From Alabama. I've lived a lot of different places. Hey, Linda and Barbara. Let me get this out to our broadcast. Hey, Sue. All right, y'all, let's get started. This is, I'm going to say navy. It's a dark blue. You can see against the black. And we are going to put a pumpkin pie recipe on here. Oh my gosh. Won't that be fun? We already put it on this cutting board and we got a giant piece of pie to go along with it. Anyway, I'm going to do pumpkin pie on this section and then the recipe part on this section. And y'all, have you ever, look at that recipe. I want to try the recipe. And, so I'm going to show y'all how I'm going to do this. Hey, Elaine. Hey, from Texas. We got people from everywhere. Okay. So we're going to put homemade pumpkin pie up here in this section. And Sue just said this is the club. And y'all, if you comment club ever, you're going to get a message from me. I know the other day, I can't remember who it was. Somebody said that they commented something and they got a message. Well, this is the September Club. It comes with 1 pack of shimmer copper ink. This is my favorite color, y'all. But if you are ever on here watching and you comment the word club, you get a squeegee too. I believe you get the squeegee if it's your first time. So we're going to go ahead and put all of our shimmer copper in here. Hey, hey, hey. Oh my gosh, y'all, this, I like all the colors, but shimmer copper is one of my favorites, especially on like a dark color. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? All right, we're going to just do the pumpkin pie part. Hey, Charlotte from Arkansas. I used to live in Arkansas. All right, we're going to do homemade pumpkin pie at the top. You just take a little bit of ink. Yeah, y'all, this is permanent. And what that means is you can make your whatever it goes on any kind of fabric, preferably like with a smooth surface. But anyway, it's permanent, so you can wash it. And y'all, I'm just doing the top part. You could totally not separate it like I'm going to, but this is how the club is demonstrated for you guys. Oh, thank you. Y'all, I got this at Walmart. Love Dolly. And y'all, the color of the month this month is Jolene. It is a beautiful shimmer, kind of a wine color. But I love Dolly anyway. In fact, I already had this shirt when they announced that the color was Jolene. And I was like, oh my gosh. I gotta wear it. Now you could totally just do pumpkin pie on here. You could totally just do pumpkin pie. Okay, look, I'm gonna squeegee all the way across. Make sure I've got it through this transfer. Just like that. Because whenever you put it on there, squeegee off any excess because you can use it. All right, now I'm going to take this off. Let's see. Oh my gosh, y'all, that is gorgeous on this blue. Let me see. I'm going to press a little bit more through here. If you lift it up a little bit, like you can see if you missed a spot. So that's what I'm doing. Da, da, da. Oh my goodness. Y'all, this is so pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Pretty as pie. Now, I have made pumpkin pies. I have not used this recipe, but I'm thinking I'm going to. How would y'all like that? Okay. So now, I'm going to put this over here. I'm going to hold this up so y'all can see. Isn't that gorgeous? I'm going to try not to always go the wrong way. I'm trying not to get it in my ink that's over here open. Okay, here we go. All right, now let's do the bottom part. But y'all see the shimmer copper? So pretty. All right, we're going to put, and look, it's got 3 sections of pockets. 3 sections of pockets. Okay, so now I'm going to do the bottom part, but I'm going to use my backer sheet, I think. I'm going to, it's kind of got wrinkles in it, so I can kind of see where and I'm pressing it down. You want to press it down after you lift it up. I think that'll be fine. Just don't, that's wet, so be careful with that. Okay, now I'm going to take the rest. See, it didn't hardly use any. Now I'm going to take the rest and squeegee where I haven't. I'm not going to get back up there where I already, you know, have been on here. You know what I mean? I've already done that top part. And this has got the cutest little measuring cup. And a pumpkin at the bottom. But y'all, I love it. These are my favorite kind of transfers. And this is like perfect for this time of year, don't you think? And look, if you're not a club member, you can type club and you can get the link. And if you're not a Perks member, Perks members get 30% off of everything all the time, including the club. So you can join the club after you're a Perks member and get 30% off. I might have enough to do something else somewhere else. See, I'm going to have some left. Hey, Anita. But if you type the word club, you're going to get the link to join. And it's got the information. And you get a kit each month to create a project. This month it is the pumpkin pie, homemade pumpkin pie recipe. And as you can see, I've got quite a bit left over. And let me squeegee off this. Lift it up a little bit. Y'all, I wish you could see this shimmer. It is so beautiful. I'm going to put this back on here. And you just take it to your sink and clean it. Let me turn my heat press on. And for the heat press, I do 305 degrees for 30 seconds. I gotta be careful. Y'all, look how pretty that is. Look at that. Can y'all see the shimmer? I hope you can. It's gorgeous. I'm gonna put this on a dish towel. I'm gonna put it on, I might even put it on a shirt. I might even put homemade pumpkin pie on something. Oh, thank you, Kay. Anyway, this says mix 3 eggs, 1 cup of evaporated milk, half a teaspoon of salt, ground nutmeg, cinnamon, vanilla, and maple flavor. So I think that it would really make I think it would make a pumpkin pie. You bake it at 400 for 10 minutes and then lower the temp to 350 for 45 minutes. That sounds just like a good pumpkin pie recipe. And I just wanted to show y'all again. You get 1 packet of paste, and this is how much I had left. So it's plenty of paste. Oh, Lynn, do you have this? I'm pretty sure I got this at Walmart. Because I was thinking, where did I get it? I think I got it at Walmart. So whenever the apron comes with the club. You get the apron, a packet of Shimmer Copper permanent ink, the transfer, and if you're just joining, you get a squeegee. And now if you're using an iron, just put it on a medium setting. No steam. Whoop. It would look cute on a wall hanging. Yes, it would. Oh, y'all remember those dish towels that, like, my grandma used to get them, and like they would, most of the time they had a calendar or like a floral print or something. But yeah, this would look awesome as a hanging. Yeah, type the word club. Then check your messages. I don't know if y'all saw, Jenny and I were live on our pumpkin day. We actually used the transfer on one of Barry's cutouts. So I also put a link for the cutouts. And we paired it with one of this big piece of pumpkin pie. I know I'm missing some comments, so I apologize for that. So if you're using a heat press, 305 for 30 seconds. If you're using an iron medium setting, and then just iron over it several times. And I don't have an ironing board in here, so I'm just going to lay this down because I don't know where my iron is. Yes, just type the word club. And then this is like a Teflon sheet, but you use parchment paper. And I'm going to do the bottom, because I've got it kind of stretched out, I'm going to do the bottom and the top. I love that our clubs come with a new surface each time. Sometimes they're ink, sometimes they're paste, but it's always like a project that you can create. And because the transfers, or stencils as y'all call them, or I call them that too, they're reusable, 10 to 12 times. All right, now I'm going to do the top. They're reusable 10 to 12 times. So you could do a cutting board, you could do a shirt, you can do your apron, that kind of thing. If you want to get the cutouts, just type the word club, and there's a little button you can push. And also, there's like several links in there. And y'all don't forget, today's the last day to save 20, SAVE20, if you have a $100 order on the Chalk site. Let me see. I know I'm missing questions, and I'm so sorry. All right. I'm going to turn it over, because I always like the heat set on the back too. Hey Mildred, hey Letty, how's it going? So yeah, that's right, Cindy. Oh my gosh. Don't forget, if your order reaches $75 on the Chalk site, you can add the Jolene chalk paste. It is gorgeous. It is also a shimmer. It is this beautiful shade. Every month we have a color of the month. It's only good until it like sells out. And this right here is like a beautiful fall, winter color. Lynn, you placed your order? Awesome. Yeah, today's the last day for that Save 20. S-A-V-E 20. And you put it like on your chalk order once it reaches 100. And then today's the last day. I was like, I forgot what I was saying. And I wish I could sing. I would sing that song, Jolene. But look, Jolene is going to get up in the kitchen and cook with her shimmer. Y'all, this is so pretty. It's a little hot, too. I love it. Y'all, I've been off a few days because it's been Labor Day. And I'm like, I am not going to labor on Labor Day. Look at that. So, anyway. Oh, and that Save 20 is off as many orders as you want. It's not just one. So, today's the last day if you want to grab something else. Thank you guys for watching. And look, I really need to do something else because I got some ink left. Maybe I could put a pumpkin somewhere. I appreciate you guys hanging out. Be sure if you're watching later to save. Oh yeah, look, you won't miss it. It's before you check out and it says, do you have a code? So make sure you put it on there. All right, y'all. Love you guys. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you later. I got to get the ingredients so we can try this pie. Bye now.